Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Sagittarius, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship. Sagittarius, we are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, guys, and this card is for your career situation, Sagittarius. And I have a special fairy tale pick a card love reading right after this general energy. So, if you are interested, stay tuned for that. That may answer some questions or doubts you have in your mind about your situation, guys. Sagittarius. So, let's start with the general energy, guys. We have Pope of Stars in reverse, then Nine of Suns in reverse, and Eight of Stars in reverse, guys. So with these cards, guys, it may be something to do with your career situation or some situation in your personal life, guys. So with these cards, Sagittarius, in your situation today, maybe for some of you, you are uh, facing some obstacles or delays in your work or in your personal life. Maybe some kind of confusions, doubts, or maybe the way you perceive your perception may be different on this person's perception may be different, and you are seeing some misunderstandings, troubles because of that. And maybe for some of you, there is a conflict of interest you have, or maybe this person you are in connection with, they simply lack sympathy and they are quite dominant, trying to dominate you, trying to impose you with their ideas, views, or suggestions, and they just want to what to say, control your actions, maybe. So some difficulties because of that, or this may be someone from your work. So it may be your mentor or your colleague, someone working with you. So this person is trying to control each and every action of yours or each and every decision that you make. So some troubles or some conflict of interest because of that, guys, in your situation. And I also see that maybe for some of you, things are not going well, guys. Some kind of you may feel some kind of bad luck, maybe an illness, or some financial troubles are there in your situation, guys. So that is what I see with these cards, guys, Sagittarius, for your general energies. You need to take great precautions when you're making some important decisions involving your finances, guys, because your situation may become worse, so you need to be really careful. So let's see what is the card specific to your relationship first. We have Master of Moons. Master of Moons, guys. So with this card in your situation, maybe this person you are involved with, they may be someone creative, maybe that person is an artist, singer, or a dancer, someone in the creative field. They are very compassionate, talented, and generous, and this person loves you. And they are here to help you, and they are trustworthy. Maybe for some of you, if you were having doubts about this person, you need to understand that they are really faithful and loyal to you, dedicated to you, and this connection, guys. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. We have Three of Suns. So, with this card, guys, in your career, I see that you have that confidence, strong will, and determination, courage to make things go right for you, and you are working with people, having that team spirit in your work situation. So you are what to say, moving towards success, guys, in your life today, Sagittarius. So that is the reading, guys. So we had some negative energy with the general energy cards, but the cards specific to your relationship and your career situation are positive. So I feel that something small, some small, uh, what to say, situations may come up, but it is all going to simply disappear over time, guys. So that is a reading for your Sagittarius. If you are interested, stay tuned for the fairy tale pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card, and today's reading is a special fairy tale pick a card love reading. So it may answer some questions you have in your mind, guys, regarding your situation. So this is your first card, and this is your second card. So you can meditate for a few seconds, think about your situation, and you can think about the crystals and choose the crystal which comes to you first. So that way, that card, the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with this card, guys, after a few seconds. Okay, guys, so we will see what is the card, the first card for us with this crystal. So we will see what it is. It is Nixie of Melpont, memory. So that is the card here. So for those who have chosen this card, maybe in your situation today, you are trying to avoid some people, or you are trying to avoid a certain situation. But with this card, the clear message is that you cannot avoid it, guys, or you cannot control your own feelings. Maybe you have strong feelings towards someone and you are trying to avoid meeting them, or you are trying to avoid this connection, or trying to avoid that relationship. But whatever you are trying to do, if you want to free yourself from that fear, or that burden, that emotional burden you have, you should be ready to face this situation. Only then you will be able to move forward in your life, in your situation. So whatever sorrow this circumstance brings, after meeting this person, it will turn to joy and love, and you will feel that true emotional connection with this person, and that soul to soul connection and some kind of bonding. But you have some fears, that is the reason you are trying to avoid. You need to overcome those fears, guys. That is what I see with this card for those who have chosen this first card and this first crystal. So let's see what is the second card. I will leave it here now. So with this second card, guys, let's see what is the card. The Snow Queen, loyalty. So this just means that there is someone really close to you. You have a very deep friendship with someone, and this friendship stands for that innocence and what to say, that heartfelt communication, understanding. So maybe it is a very enduring friendship that you have with this person, and it has stood its time faced lot of trials maybe. And maybe for some of you, this person you consider as your friend or very close to you, this may be the person you love. Something has come up and this person has gone cold and unresponsive. Maybe they are having some obsessions or addictions. That may be the reason. But you need to have hope in this friendship. Maybe today this it may be going through some kind of a difficult phase in this connection or in this friendship, but very soon it is going to get back. You are going to feel magic in this connection. You are going to feel loved and loyal and feel that trust with this person, guys. So everything is going to come back to what it was before. Maybe for some of you, you are missing that friendly nature of this person you love, and that this person has given you a cold shoulder, maybe for some reason, but they are going to come back to you and you are going to feel loved and you are going to feel that trust on this person once again, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who have chosen the second card. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.